Hello and welcome. As a reference and instruction librarian, I frequently assist students who have questions about APA citations. This video was created to provide you with a brief overview about APA citations. This video will help you understand why we use APA citations, that there are two parts to citations. You have in-text or parenthetical citations, as well as a references page, where to go for APA examples, and how to format your paper in APA style. You will begin by going to hackcc.edu/library. Once you are at the library homepage, you'll look over in the blue help box and you'll see they have a link for citing sources. If you click on this link, it will take you to our Citing Sources LibGuide. Along the top, you'll notice that we have MLA and APA citations. So click on the APA Citations tab, and this will provide you with information that you'll need for formatting your paper in APA format, as well as how to do in-text citations and your references page. You'll notice in the top box we have APA Overview, and the reason I wanted to point this box out is because of the APA Style Guide that discusses plagiarism, paraphrasing, and citing. And this brings up the point about why it is important to cite your sources. One of the most important reasons to cite your sources is to avoid plagiarism. Another reason to cite your sources is it adds credibility to your paper, and it also helps others find the information that you're citing. They can take a look at your references page and see where you got the information from. The next thing that will be discussed are the different parts of a citation. There are two parts to a citation. First, you have your in-text citations or parenthetical citations, and the second part is your references page. Purdue OWL provides very good examples of what in-text citations look like. If you look at Purdue OWL, you'll see at the very top they have in-text citations, the basics, and this provides you with a general overview of what your in-text or parenthetical citations will look like. You'll see that with these in-text citations, you have the author's last name followed by the year. If you're using a direct quote, you will also need to include the page number. Purdue OWL also provides you with an APA sample paper. It's nice to be able to have an example to look at. You'll see that it provides you with helpful tips throughout the paper, but it also will provide you with a comparison of what your paper should look like. Keep in mind with their example, they do have an author note, which usually is not required by the professor. The second source that I would like to show you is Valencia College APA Style for Electronic Sources. This provides you with a lot of examples from library databases, as well as websites and other electronic sources. I really like Valencia because of the example reference page citations that it provides to you. I'm going to click on one as an example, and you'll see that they do an excellent job with showing you exactly what you will need for your reference page citation. It provides color coding and tells you need author. It shows you the exact format that you need. Then we move on to date of publication, and you'll notice that the date of publication is in parentheses. So you're going to want to pay attention not only to the pieces of the citation, but to the little details as well. The last thing I mentioned was how to format your paper in APA formatting. We provide handouts to you on our LibGuide. You'll notice that we have APA formatting for Word 2013 as well as 2016. And for those of you using Google Drive, we also have steps showing you how to format in Google Drive. If you have any other questions, please feel free to send me an email or chat with me in the discussion board, and I'd be happy to address any specific questions you may have on APA citation.